Looking for something unique, educational, and fun for your school? USA School Shows has over 13 top-rated by teachers assembly programs to choose from.
With us right here on the end of our wrist. Get your hands with the boys and girls and everybody do crabby claws. Crabby claws, crabby claws. There you go. African American inventors, artists, and musicians. You say reading builds our brain. So those two seedlings, open it up, are going to turn into a horse. We're going to start with A. If you said apples, hold your fingers up and wiggle them around. Here we go. You'll be struggling with that for the next. Abraham Lincoln and Allie, who's holding on to his picture. All right, stay right there. I will recycle. I will reuse. Plowing field. And move your head that way, and it looks like you are scuba diving. Give them. It sure is. It's Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm ready to take green. Go right ahead. Okay, we're gonna drive our car. Drive your car. Michigan cars. Michigan cars. Eat. That's delicious to eat. Tastes like nachos. Wow. Peanut. A magic George Washington Carver peanut. So here is a noun and an All right, Maeve. The Maeve. I can't believe it.
Reserve your assembly today with USA School Shows.
Place or thing.